What's going on today, guys? So today I'm going to do a review of the Cobra Labs Ripper Fat Burner. So I've been taking this for about maybe a month and a quarter, maybe a month and a week. So I haven't been taking it for too long, but the amount of time that I've taken it, I have noticed that it works really well. I think it's about time I do a review on it. I've hinted at it, and I was in my initial review of things that, my supplements I take on a daily. This is definitely one of them, and one of the ones that I would get. So I believe it was around Christmas time. There was a buy one get one. It was actually Black Friday. Bodybuilding.com did a buy one get one for this. I figured, why not? I figured I could try it, and then I'll do a review. So I got two 30-serving tins of the Pink Mango Slice Ripper Fat Burner. I have noticed, and I'll just get straight to the conclusion of what I've noticed about this. It works. I went from wearing 2, possibly 3X t-shirts to now I'm a single X t-shirt. I noticed that my core has slimmed down a lot, my chest is flattened out, and a lot of where my fatty areas have really slimmed down. My pant size went from having 38 size jeans, felt tight. Now I'm able to wear 36 jeans that feel like fairly loose. So in a month and a week, if you want numbers, because numbers talk, I went from 280 pounds, I'm now down to 265. That is a 15-pound difference. Granted, it may not just be from this. I have been dieting, I've been working out a lot more, been doing more cardio. That could apply to it, but 15 pounds in a month and a week is still very, very good. And I feel like this has a lot to do with it. Flavor-wise, the Pink Mango Slice is fairly good, but it gets really tiring. What I should have done was I shouldn't have gotten 2 of the same kind. I should have mixed kinds. I'm on the Cobra Labs website right now. They have Razor Lime, Pineapple Shred, Pink Mango Slice, Cherry Limeade, and Raspberry Limeade. I should have easily mixed this with Pineapple Shred or a Cherry Limeade. That way I could alternate which one. Because honestly, I'm to a point where I'm mixing this with amino acids in the morning because I'm just so tired of the taste. The taste honestly did get really obnoxious after a month, but it shows its worth with the product as opposed to like taste. I'm willing to show that it works and like get results out of it than have to worry about, oh, it tastes bad, I have to suck it down every morning. I have to suck down this much water in my blender bottle because I want to see results. I can tolerate that. It's not a big deal. Throw a little scoop of, I think I have gummy worm amino acids right now. Throw a little bit of that in there. Chug this down. And you'll feel great. It works within 5 to 10 minutes. You start feeling the normal tingle because it does have beta-alanine in it, which is the normal tingle that you feel when you take like a pre-workout, your skin gets tight, you feel kind of like really fidgety and touchy. For me specifically, the skin like around my neck and like creases feel very like sensitive to touch. I noticed that even this morning I took it on my way into school. I just sit in my car, I chug it in my Hydro Cup, I have my coffee on the other side, and like on my way in, I'll be 5 minutes into my way to school, and I feel the tingle, I feel really sensitive to touch, kind of like hot, and then it burns out by the time I even get to school. I only have a 20-minute ride to school. So it works really, really well. It is recommended that you take it on an empty stomach. Reason why this is, it has a direct shot into your system. So what I do is I don't eat breakfast in the morning. So I'll take it as soon as I wake up. I won't eat breakfast, since I don't. I'll take it as soon as I wake up or on my way to school. I'll let it digest in my system. If there's no food in your system, it's a straight shot into your endocrine system and it digests, it gets right into your bloodstream, and it immediately starts working. If you eat it with food, you may not get the full results. You may not get the full tingle, you may not get the full burn out of it, and it may take longer for it to get in your system. On me, on an empty stomach, 5 minutes, fine. I feel it right away, other than 5 minutes of taking it, and it lasts maybe about 20 minutes of just feeling the tingle. When you look at this label that's on it, I have it pulled up on my screen so it's bigger, so I'm not just staring down at it. I'm kind of actually sort of looking at you. A lot of the stuff that you would expect to be in this is not. It has no fat, no carbs, no sugars, no protein. So there's not a lot of crap, for lack of a better term. You're not being loaded and full of just crap. it gets to the point. It has 45 milligrams of vitamin C, 25 milligrams or MCG. I don't know what MCG means, but I'll put it in here if I figure it out. 25 MCGs of vitamin B12, which is 418% of your daily value. Pantothenic acid, it has 4 milligrams, and it has chromium as a chromium pilconate as 100 MCGs, which is 83% of your daily value. Now, those are mostly vitamins, just daily stuff that comes naturally. Your body produces it, and it's just that added bit to help. It has extreme muscle fuel. It has its own category where they don't give a specific amount, and I believe that's for like copyright reasons, so people don't steal this product. It has 255 milligrams, or 2,055 milligrams of this muscle fuel mixture, which is carnosine, which is beta-alanine, which is the tingle, guarana extract, raspberry, ketones, and caffeine, 200 milligrams of caffeine, which gives your body that kind of pumpy feel in pre-workout. The shred mix is 1,106 milligrams, which is taurine, acetylene L-carnitine, HCI, green coffee extract, green tea extract, cinnamon bark extract, olive leaf extract, and 40% oleuropein. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that because I'm going to look like an idiot, so that's the best you're going to get. And this is based on a 2,000 calorie diet. That is where I'm at. I'm in a caloric deficit trying to lose weight, which is obviously helping. So this is working well for me. Other ingredients, citric acid, which is similar to the beta-alanine, malic acid, calcium syndicate, whatever else, and just fine print stuff. I'll put this whole list in here in the video and just kind of annotate it like in here or somewhere so you can see everything that I'm reading on. I can't stress it enough, I guess is the way that I'm saying, and what I'm getting at is this really, really works. I mean, I've never had a product work so well. I've taken other different like little things, you know, oh, take this before you eat, blah, blah, blah. They've never really shown anything. This shows. If you put in the work and you work, yeah, you're going to see results. But if you put work in with this, you're going to see more results. That's the best way that I could put it. It works. I don't know what other review to do. I've never really tried another like daily, you know, take this every morning to feel a burner supplement, only just like, you know, before you eat, and sometimes you forget and it just doesn't work. This, I grab my can of coffee in the morning or my pot of coffee, throw some ice in a blender bottle and my hydro cup actually, which has two sides. I'll put this in one side, chug it on my way in, and I got my coffee and just sip on my coffee throughout the morning. It's easy to remember, it's easy to do. For whatever reason, it just works. Cobra Labs also has other products. They have pre-workouts, they have amino acids. I'm considering trying those soon. Maybe for review, I haven't really decided yet. There's a similar product to this, which is the Blackstone Labs Trojan Horse. That is next on my list of a burner to try. I've heard a lot of really good things about it. A lot of the people I look up to in the fitness industry, such as like Seth Feroce and a few other people, really speak highly of Blackstone Labs. So I think that's where I'm going to head next. I'm considering getting the pre-workout for this, and then the burner when I'm done with this in about a month. I'm going to get the Blackstone Labs Trojan Horse and try that. So that's what's coming up for future reviews. I'm curious to see how well this holds up to the Trojan Horse, or even if I just have a tolerance to this, I take the Trojan Horse for a month and that just completely overrides everything and even switches it, or if it's such a downgrade that this, if I go back to taking this again and it upgrades it so much, I'd be really curious to see how that goes. So, thank you guys for watching. I know this video review is kind of short, but that's really all I have. It's just a simple, you know, it's just a simple powder. It's really dusty actually. There's spit dust everywhere. It's a simple powder that works. I can't give any more of a review to show numbers, you know. 280 pounds to 265 pounds within a month and a week is an improvement. I mean, I don't know how else to word that. And that's through Christmas too, and eating like shit. So it works. I ate a lot of garbage, and it still helped me out through everything. So thank you guys for watching. If the review helped you and it influenced you, comment down below if it influenced you to help. If you've taken it and you've had similar and worse results, comment those down below. If I missed any important information, also comment that down below. Subscribe for more stuff coming. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.